Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great, great world. We're going to talk about XRP. But before I get started, Doge Defense Minister, I know what 2 girls and 1 cup is. Stop recommending that movie in the comments section. And last night I watched a collector. Tonight I'm going to watch the sequel. Definitely keep me up to date on what you're watching as well. So we're looking at XRP on the 1-hour chart. We're sitting here just above 54 cents. You would think people would be happy that XRP is finally moving upward. But no, people are still pissed off. It's only a couple cents, no big deal. We should be sitting well over $5 right now. Let it all play out. Stay patient and stay positive. Because if you know where this cryptocurrency is going in the future, all you have to do is sit back and do nothing. Wait to get rich. The biggest bull run is coming, and it will be led by XRP. The majority will miss it because they don't have patience. Imagine being a holder for years and then sell because you get frustrated. Crypto is not for everyone, only for the brave ones. Be ready to 10x your money. Honestly, I think from where we're sitting right now, we're most likely going to see a 20x on XRP in the next run-up. And you definitely want to be here for that. If you've been holding ever since the lawsuit started, you can hold a little while longer. The finish line is now in sight. But over the course of the next couple months, most likely 6 months or so, all the hype around XRP is going to be gone. And all we're going to be left with is the facts. Think about it. The Ripple SEC lawsuit. There's been so much hype around that since day one. But now it's coming to an end. Then you got to look at ISO going live. We'll get a good look at how much value is going to come from that, and the hype around it will end. Then look at Ripple. They're going to announce an IPO at some point. We'll know how much value is going to come pouring into XRP, and the hype will end. And all we'll be left with is the facts. It'll give you a good idea on where XRP is going in the future. Now take a listen to this because it puts it all into perspective.
For investors. I've already shown you how big energy and transportation are being transformed. We're also about to see massive changes in the $23 trillion world of big finance. In the months ahead, central banks around the world are planning to go digital. Many of the legacy banks you've heard of, where you probably even keep your money, like Bank of America, Chase, Citi, Wells Fargo, they're about to be reset, overhauled by a new type of technology called fintech, which is short for financial technology. In other words, the banking infrastructure is being rebuilt from the ground up, and very few Americans are aware this is even happening. We are right on the verge of a once-in-a-generation opportunity to profit by investing in the companies that are building out the architecture.
Once-in-a-generation opportunity. And this is the same reason I'm always trying to get people outside of crypto to come into crypto before time runs out. And everybody still thinks they have until 2025 to get invested. I see people say it on a daily basis. If you're going to wait until 2025, think about it like this. Why would you want to buy XRP at $1 when it's sitting here at 54 cents? Why would you want to buy XRP at $5 when it's sitting here at 54 cents? You want to buy when we're sitting at rock bottom prices, because that's where I think we are right now. And I keep seeing other people say, well, I want to keep my money on the sidelines. I'm going to wait for that major black swan event to happen where XRP plummets all the way down under 20 cents. Nobody knows if that is going to happen or not, because everything looks very good around XRP moving into the future. The Internet of Value is upon us, and Ripple is at the forefront of this revolution. You know what I like about Brad? He's going after all the money. I mean, he's going after tokenization, carbon credits, cross-border payments. But then beyond that, they're also looking at other opportunities as well, acquisitions of other companies at the same time. The reason I like that is because that's what's going to make us rich in the future. It's all going to add value to XRP. Mind-blowing potential alert, ISO and cryptocurrency payment ecosystem. Like I said, once November gets here and ISO goes live, I don't think we're going to see value right out of the gate. I think that value is going to come over time. We're going to start to see XRP rise up little by little. Then all of a sudden, I think we're going to see a boom for the price of XRP. That's what I thought from day one. Crypto that participated in ISO will emerge from cryptocurrency bubble. And you know there's a bubble, and it's definitely going to pop at some point. And I keep seeing people say, well, regulations, they're a ways off yet. You know, that's years from now. I wouldn't be so sure of that. Honestly, I think the World Economic Forum already has crypto regulations written up. And I think one day they're just going to go live all at once. Global crypto regulations. People are going to wake up and they're going to be like, why did my meme coin just go to zero? And then all of a sudden they're going to realize that regulations are now in place and we're going to be left with a handful of cryptocurrencies. XRP is going to be one of them. Now, this puts it also into perspective. Doesn't the story of the initial days of Amazon resonate with Ripple's current days? We have thousands of employees and 4 million square feet of distribution space so that we can ship to the customer quickly. Doesn't it sound like ODL, ISO, expanding Ripple employee force, customer experience first? You know, Amazon became so successful because you could order something and it'll end up at your house very quick. Imagine cross-border payments. Right now, you want to send money from one country to another. It takes a long period of time and it's very expensive. But could you imagine if it was cheap and it happened in as little as a few seconds? That's what's game-changing around XRP. That's why I see XRP hitting very high numbers in the future, because every single bank is going to want that technology. They're going to want the upper hand over the competition. Basically, everything the Internet of Value is going to run through. Derivative market. You see, market indices, interest rates, stocks, bonds, currencies, commodities. You know, there's going to be value coming from places we never even thought about. There's going to be payments happening that we never even thought about. This is how big this actually is. And that's why I'm always trying to tell people, you know, if you want life-changing money, you get your money out of the traditional bank and put it into crypto. And over the course of the next 12 to 24 months, you will get very rich. I think it's going to happen so quick. It's going to shock most people, even people inside the crypto space. We're even seeing Bitcoin maxis now starting to invest in XRP. That should tell you something right there. They're seeing that Bitcoin is not the future. XRP is the future. 1,700 trillion. This is the addressable market size set to be tokenized. This is why they don't want you involved. Take a listen to this.
This chart won't be a surprise to anyone on the call today. It really tries to capture the mammoth size of the market opportunity, addressing more than 1,700 trillion in assets, which are likely to become digital. Digitalization of all the world's assets, traditional markets, adoption of cryptocurrencies, and the tokenization of real-world assets. This is the size of the addressable market, and this is the market in which we see a huge opportunity to participate.
And that's why they don't want you holding crypto. They know how much money is at stake here. And do you think it's going to really matter market cap in previous cycles when tokenization really booms. And I think that's going to start in 2024 as well. We see the big banks talking about it more and more right now. Look what's going on over at Hedera. They're already tokenizing $5 billion worth of assets already. This is going to happen very quick, and you got to be prepared for it. Let's go. Spend XRP at these 30 businesses that accept XRP payments. Now, a lot of this is luxury items and like Rolex and other gift cards in gaming, things like that. But this shows you that you can actually shop with your XRP. I don't know anybody who's going to spend their XRP right now, especially knowing where we're going in the future. But it's nice to see some adoption happening around crypto, and that's going to continue into the future as well. Ripple and XRP are everywhere, from the central banks to food and mustard companies, right into aviation. Like I always said, Ripple's a well-rounded company. XRP is a well-rounded cryptocurrency. And that's what you want when you're investing in a cryptocurrency. You want it to be tied to multiple things. This way money comes pouring in from all directions. Crypto geocaching is the next big thing. It is literally hunting for treasure. While I love giving away XRP on Twitter, I'll now also be leaving keys to Zoom wallets filled with XRP hidden around Orange County and LA County in California. This one just happens to be located in the city of Covina, California. Do you think this is something that's going to take off in the future? Going and treasure hunting and finding XRP. I like the idea of this, and I think it's great because it allows people to realize what XRP is. Maybe somebody who's not even invested in XRP finds that Zoom wallet. Who knows? But you know, I like the way people think inside the XRP community. They're always trying to give back or give to others. And that's what it unites this community so much. Plus, we all have a shared vision as well. Now, I wanted to definitely mention this. I circled the bit about the secret window being open. This is the U.S. debt clock. Who is like unto the Lord our God, who dwelleth on high? The secret window is open Tuesdays, Thursdays, Sundays, 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So what do you think's going on with the debt clock? You know, a lot of people have been trying to, there's riddles around it. Some people have been trying to decode it. I think whoever is in control of the debt clock is definitely giving us hints on what's to come next. And I don't think it's going to be very good for the U.S. dollar. But right now, it's a great time to be an XRP investor. We're starting to see the green candle show up once again. And any movement to the upside, I get very excited around it because we have gone sideways for such a long period of time. And it does get frustrating. But you shouldn't be frustrated even if we move a couple cents. In fact, you should share the excitement with everyone else. But, you know, until it all comes together, we got to stay patient and stay positive. Let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.